All right, so now let's go ahead and allow the admins to simply change the status. And again, this is going to be the whole section of bookings. It's just really similar to the orders right here. All right, so I just made a mistake right here, and there's something wrong with the TD and the time. So let me check that out real quick. So let me check. Yeah, I forgot to add this, or I possibly like deleted it, and this is actually time like that. So I just save. Let's now refresh. So now it should actually display the time like that. So great. Now let's go ahead and delete, and try to update the status. So I'm just going to go to web.php again. I'm going to go ahead and actually let's copy this link, paste it like that. So this will be edit-booking. All right, and we're going to send in the ID. And as for the function, so this will be edit booking like that, and the name, it will be edit.booking like that, and save this. Let's now copy this function. Let me go right here and paste it like that. All right, so actually we can just go right at the top and we can copy this, edit orders, and we can just go right here and paste it. Let me cut this and paste it like that, and we're gonna pass in the ID, and this right here will be booking like that, and we should grab data from the booking right here, and we're gonna find the ID. So the whole purpose of this function is to simply grab the whole row based on the ID for the booking. All right, and right after we grab the data, we should pass it into edit booking like that, and we simply save it. And if we copy this, we can simply go to the resources. If we go to views, we go to the admins folder, we can just go ahead right here, edit booking.blade.php. And now what we need to do is to simply, actually, let's go ahead to edit without even going, yeah, we do not even have anything in the bookings right here, booking in the bookings-admins right here, other than the show-bookings.html page. So we can go to a very similar page, which is the edit orders, and we can simply copy it. And now we can go right here and paste this like that. So this will be edit booking. All right, and this will be booking like that, and this will simply just display the status of the booking. And this is simply the form. So the form action right here, it's going to be update. Actually, let's go ahead and just delete it for now. We're going to work with it later. I just want to display the data. All right, so, and tweak the form, and that's all. I guess that this is all for tweaking the form. I'm just going to go ahead and save this. Let's now go ahead and I don't think that we did the part for fetching the link right here. So I just want to go back to all bookings, and I want to go down right here at this part, and I want to go route, and I want to go ahead right here, and I want to go edit dot booking and paste it like that. And I'm going to go ahead booking. I'm going to go and fetch in the ID. So now save this. So let's now refresh this like that. And now if we hover over any one of those, we should actually go to edit-booking, and we should access some kind of dynamic ID. So I'm going to go ahead this one. And as you can see, edit booking current status is processing. And the current status is processing actually right here. If we go ahead and click this, as you can see, current status is booked. Let's go into /edit-booking/3 right there, and there is simply the status. So the status is not going to be processing and delivered. Maybe it's going to be processing and booked. All right, so I guess that makes total sense. If we go now right here, this will be booked like that, and we should also change the value right here in the options. So let's save this. let's now go ahead and take care of the logic. So for the logic, we can also copy this link right here, and we can paste it like that. So this will be edit-order, and we're going to pass in the ID. That's fine. And for the function, I'm just going to go and make this so it will be edit update. Let's see, update booking like that. All right. And this will be update dot booking like that. All right, so save this. Now let's go ahead and copy the function. Let's go right here and paste it like that. Just want to go ahead right at the top so I can copy the update orders function because it's going to be really similar. Let's paste it right here. Cut this and go right here and paste. All right, so we're going to pass in the request and some kind of ID, and we're going to go right here instead of order. Right here, I'm just going to go booking, and the model, it will also be booking like that. And the update right here, I'm just going to go ahead and do a request all for the update function right there. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and paste this like that. I'm going to go return redirect route, and I'm going to right after right after I update, basically I'm just going to go ahead to all booking, or was it all booking or all bookings? I think, yeah, it's all bookings right here. I'm going to go with the message. This is the message. The message is going to be an update right here. It's going to take an update key. It's going to be booking status updated successfully. All right, so there we go. Let's save this. Now I want to go ahead and take care of the part for the message. So let's see, if we go to all admins, for example, I can copy this part, and I can simply close this. So if I go ahead right here to all bookings, and I want to go right above the card, and I want to paste this in, so this will be a message of update. Copy this and go right here and paste this in and save. All right, so right after this, I want to go ahead after, yeah, there's something that I did not even take care of, which is the form. It's actually the final thing. Not here, it's here. So if we go to the form, the action right here, I'm gonna go for the action. So let's copy this. Let's go right here. Let's paste this in like that, and we're just gonna pass in the ID. So this will be booking, and we're gonna go right here and just pinch in the ID like that. All right, so this is everything. Just gonna go ahead and save this. Now let's go ahead and refresh this like that. All right, so if we go right here, let's change the status from booked to processing. For example, if we click update, all right, so as you can see, booking status updated successfully. So if we look right here at 3, this is booked right now. Let's actually try and do it once again. This is going to be processing. So if I click update, all right, so it's still booked, which is weird right here. I want to go right here, and I just want to go to bookings. All right, so both of, the 3, basically it's still booked, and the 4, it's still processing. So let's try 4. 4 is processing right here. I want it to be booked. We click like that. All right, so it's still processing. So something is wrong right here. So it's not being changing in the database. So something is wrong. It can be with the form, it can be with anything. All right, so this will be update.booking, and we will go to edit-order, and we will go with the ID right here. And if we go to the controller, so update booking request ID, and the booking is right there, update, and we're gonna do the request all. All right, so let me see. Did we even add the status to the bookings model? All right, so let's go to the models right here. Let's go to product, let's go to booking. All right, so we did not even add the status right here. Maybe that's the problem. So if we save this like that, let's look at it in the order.php. Yeah, we actually added it in the order.php. So this is why. So now let's refresh this. Let's now go ahead again. The booking was the ID for right here. It's processing. We click change status. As you can see, current status is processing. If I make this so it will be booked, I click update right here. All right, so it's not being updated. If I go right there, all right, so it's still not being updated, still processing right here, which means that, you know, we also have another error. So what is that error should be exactly? We're sending the controller looks fine to me. So what else could be wrong? If we go to the form, edit booking right here, and this is status. We check the word status right here. All right, so the word status is fine and the action is fine. We're just passing in the ID, and this is RF is fine also. The select box, the name is status, blah blah blah. So what else? We go right there, the button right here. I don't know, it seems very weird. So route post, and here we have the ID. All right, so this is actually edit dash booking like that, but I guess that, you know, no big deal. I don't know, maybe that's the problem. Let's save it and just try out. All right, so I want to go ahead. So again, this is 4. If I go change status, this will be booked. If we go click like that, all right, so it's still not updating. So just give me a second. Change status. I go ahead right there and just make this so it will be booked. All right, so now it's actually booked. If I change this, the processing, it will actually be processing like that. All right, so as you can see, it was a very simple problem right here. Again, for you, it will be just status right there. So yeah, this is actually everything I had for you in this video. This error took a lot of me, and it would, you know, it turns out it was just a very simple typo. So yeah, this will be all, and I will see you on the next video.